Welcome to the final installment of Maya for Beginners Dynamic Effects, where we're going to cover how to create simulations inside of Maya. And we're going to use this final scene to create a bunch of different types of simulations. But first, we're going to start simple. We're going to start with rigid body dynamics and doing some destruction. We're going to break a brick wall. We're going to crash this little glass here. And then we're going to move on to more customizable operations like creating a customized shattered effect that we can use in our scene to create a more complex rigid body dynamic simulation for our bones character busting out of the ground here. Then we're going to move on to the mesh toolkit inside of Maya and the dynamic network that we can use to create a bunch of fireflies. Then we're going to use nHair to create a rope like this, and then we're going to use nCloth to attach a banner to that rope. And we're also going to use nCloth to create a vest for our bones character. Then we'll learn about Bifrost, and we'll start with this liquid simulation and how to avoid some common pitfalls when using Bifrost. Then we'll use Bifrost to create a smoke simulation for our bones character when he's busting out of the ground, and how to vary that up and make that look more realistic and appealing and interact with our scene. Finally, we'll do some more texturing work to finish out our scene so that we can take our final animation scene from something like this gray shaded render to something like this final, well lit and textured scene. If this is the first time you're seeing any of these courses, I highly recommend you going back and starting with modeling, then going to texturing, rigging, animation, and then this. This is the final section of the course series, so you're meant to have some experience in Maya by this stage. I hope you enjoy this final installment of Maya for Beginners. Thanks for watching. See you in the course.